Assalamu alaikum students, I hope all of you are fine. My last lecture was related to if then else statement. Now we will do it on computers using C language. So let's start lecture. Look at the program. First look on the environment of the C language. File, edit, search, run, compile, debug, project, and next name of the file. रिमाइंडर मैंने नाम रखा है. Hash include stdio.h, conair.h, these are header files. Void main, this is main function. All the statements which we write is its body of main function till there. Integer n number and remainder. Print f, इसमें हमने if then statement को if else statement को explain करना है. Enter a number. Scanf format specifier and n remainder n divided by 2. If remainder is equal to 0, printf /n, you entered an even number. Else अगर remainder 0 नहीं है, then print /n, you entered an odd number. Get ch and end of main function. Clear? Now we compile that program. No error. Run it. Enter a number. You entered an even number. Look here. Again we run it. Now we enter 31. Its remainder will be not 0 divided by 2, right? You enter an odd number. Understand? Hope you understand this program. Now we will end this lecture. Thank you and have a nice day, and thank you to like my lectures, especially lecture 2.